PlayStation gift cards that show already used usually mean the code has already been redeemed. The wallet funds were added to another PlayStation Network account, or the card purchase needs verification. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check why a PlayStation gift card says it was already used, and what steps to take before contacting support. Start by checking your PlayStation wallet balance. Sign into the PlayStation Network account connected to your console, then check your wallet to see if the gift card funds were already added. If the funds are there, the code was successfully redeemed. PlayStation gift card codes are linked to the account where they were first claimed. Next, confirm that you are using the correct PlayStation Network account. Many people have multiple accounts, and the wallet balance may be connected to a different account than the one currently signed in on your console. Check any other PlayStation Network accounts you have used, and look at the wallet balance on each one. If someone gave you the gift card, ask whether they redeemed the code before giving it to you. A redeemed PlayStation gift card code cannot be added again to another account. If you bought the card yourself, check your receipt, email confirmation, or order history. Keep this information because PlayStation support may ask for proof of purchase and details about where the card came from. If the code is not working because it was entered incorrectly, try entering it again carefully. Check every character, and avoid confusing similar letters and numbers. If PlayStation still says the gift card was already used and you did not redeem it, contact PlayStation support. Provide the gift card code information, purchase receipt, retailer details, and the exact error message shown during redemption. PlayStation support can review the code status and help determine whether it was already redeemed, connected to another account, or has another issue. Avoid sharing your PlayStation gift card code online. Anyone who gets access to an unused code may be able to redeem it. If the gift card came from a third-party seller, keep your purchase records because the seller may need to verify the transaction. To recap, check your PlayStation wallet balance, verify the correct PlayStation Network account, keep your receipt, and contact support if the code was redeemed without your permission. Your next step is to check every PlayStation account you use before buying another gift card. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other PlayStation troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.